This is the pilot house. And the cutie. This is the aft cabin. Pretty big. Probably do something with the sink. This is like a aft workroom. Got a vise, stainless table, screen, keyboard, bunch of space, storage, shelving, all your life vest and lifeline stuff. Decent locker. Electronics panel. Nav desk. It's pretty big. Pretty spacious. Down into the kitchen. Double sink, cutting board. Nice little cut to shape cutting board. Cabinets, plenty of cabinets. Oh, I guess it's locked up here. Bunch of space. Freezer. Gimbal stoves, some storage, hot storage. This is all hatches down into the bilge. So here's the dining room slash living room area. It's getting plenty of space. Probably seat 8 people, 6 people, I don't know. Bunch of cabinet space here. Nice carvings, nice wood maps. Stove slash more like a heater, not a stove. Forward cabin. It's got this on it, but it's a little V-berth cabin. It's a nice little storage locker in there. There's another sink behind the door. Oh, it's a little dark in here, but there's cabins. Looks like I can turn on the light. Cabin in here, just a cabinet. There's the bathroom. Needs a lot of work. It's a skylight. Excuse me, I want to look under here. Down here is the engine room. Here's your water filtration. Diesel tanks on each side. Here's one tank. It's another tank. Sure, transmission's hard to see. Small little battery bank. Perkins diesel engine. Definitely could use some work. You can lower that, best friend.
No.
Okay. It's a pretty big engine room.
Trying to slower without dropping it. There we go.
Pretty decent size. It's probably, I don't know, 6 feet by 6 feet area. Plenty of space to get all around the engine if you need it.
Oh, yeah.
It's definitely a plus. This is your little bed while you're at the helm. And we'll go outside.